Hello and welcome back to the Insurance Guru. My name is Ayanda Malele and I'm your host for today. I want to discuss another term. Another term that I need to discuss is full replacement value. What on earth does full replacement value mean? Full replacement value, it ties in with the last video that we watched here. So this video was talking about indemnity, talking about how insurance, indemnifies you under insurance and so forth. But now we look at current replacement value. Current replacement value means that today I buy myself a iPhone XS Pro and it is currently retailing for 11,500 rands, for example. Never will be that with iPhones, but it's currently retailing at 11,000. So the current replacement value for that iPhone is 11,000 rands, as they said. So that is the current full replacement value. So we're looking at things now that pertain, let's say, to your contents, because now your contents, it becomes very tricky, and this is why we also get stuck with the underinsurance issue that comes up. Because full replacement value doesn't mean how much you might have bought the item for, but what does it cost to replace this item now? So when you look at full replacement value, for instance, and you have a Telefunken TV from 1998, was a big screen like this, maybe 32 inches or whatever, and so forth. They had a remote control maybe, or it didn't. But currently those Telefunkens are outdated. So even though I might have paid 799 rands back then in 98 or the 90s for that TV set, to replace a similar TV or with a similar TV will cost me around about 3.5 for a 32-inch screen television set. So when I'm covering my contents and I'm noting my TV down as part of my contents, I'm not going to insure it for 750. I'm insuring it for 3,500 rands, or what is more similar to what it costs to buy a new television set, So you used to get insurers, and most insurers now have sort of waited with that, where some insurance companies would say, we'll equate it to sort of the value you paid at that time. But it becomes a bit unfair, because where on earth are you going to get a TV for 799 rands for? Even at Cash Crusaders and Cash Converters, it doesn't exist. So, except in the black market, maybe. I don't even think they would sell it for $7.99. But basically, the reason I'm explaining this is so that you can understand that, what things cost in 20 years ago that you have in your house don't cost the same. And then because of that, you cannot insure them for the same as what you paid then. You need to actually think of the current replacement value, the full replacement value. So the term is current replacement value. It's what does it cost for me to get this item now? So look at your TVs, look at your beds, etc. I mean, to replace a bed now is not the same as, even though your bed is 20 years old, 30 years old, you shouldn't be sleeping on a bed that's 30 years old. But if you are, you need to insure that bed for something similar in the market. Otherwise, when it comes to claim stage, you would have been underinsured. This is also the reason why you may have insured your contents last year for 150,000, and this year when they increase premium, they also increase your sum insured with some insurance companies. And most insurance companies do this because they know that inflation, every year things go up. So with that, every year things going up, they are also ensuring that you are covered for the current replacement value, therefore the full replacement value. And that is the long and short of current replacement value. And there's another video I'm going to talk about current replacement value, but also talk about enrichment as well, because other people try to get enriched through the current replacement value system. But that we'll talk about in another time. For now, I hope I have highlighted something that you needed to know. And from this video, you go, if you've got contents cover, literally go to your contents cover, ask your insurer to maybe send you an inventory list. Go to every room and really calculate how much your contents are truly worth, and you'll be actually shocked how underinsured you are. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Please click subscribe, tell your aunt, your cousins, your brother, your neighbor to watch me, because I'm entertaining and I'm teaching you something you should know. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.